Saturday, October 5th, and today we are going to Toronto. My sister, she just came back from Japan. She was there for a month. She just got back a couple days ago. And yeah, she's my best friend. I go to her place all the time just to get out of town and go into the city, have some fun. And yeah, she's just my best friend, so I love hanging out with her. Cannot wait to get there and hug her. I miss her so much. Before we do go, I want to do some self-care. Right now, I do have a hair mask in my ends and a hair oil treatment in my scalp. After I eat, I'm gonna do an everything shower. We're gonna rinse out the mask. We're gonna exfoliate and shave. I'm going to be doing a collagen sheet mask because it's been a minute since I've done one. And I think I want to do my makeup, but I'm gonna have to do it on the train if I want to make it there at a decent time. But yeah, I'm gonna quit rambling and I'm gonna go make myself some food and then I'm gonna shower. Just did an everything shower minus the shaving and I feel so good. I feel clean, soft, refreshed. I'm gonna show you guys what I use to exfoliate. Obviously she's very well loved. This is the Dove body scrub and brown sugar and coconut butter. This is about how much I have left. I do like this stuff, I won't lie. I do want to try tree head scrubs though. Really moisturize my skin. I used this, I don't know what it's called, but I got it as a gift when I was buying a Mother's Day gift for my sister, and I was getting her something from Lush, and they gifted me it looked like a cloud before, but it's from the Sleepy collection, and it's this cleansing milk, so like it turns into this liquid milk consistency. You rub it all over your body, and it is heaven. And since it is from the Sleepy collection, it is lavender scented, so I feel and smell so good. For lotion, I used the almond milk and Manuka honey body butter from, I'm gonna call it Soroya, yeah. An Australian owned brand. I got it from Winners and Marshalls. I'm not 100% sure how I feel about this. The consistency when I apply it on my skin, it's not what I expected. It's not terrible, but it's not my favorite, I'll be honest. It gets the job done, but it doesn't exactly feel luxurious, probably because it is cheap, so still works. For my collagen mask, I used the Medi-Heal Collagen Essential Mask. This is what it looks like. It was cheaper than the one that I normally get, but oh my goodness, it's so, I got it because it was pink, and it's been a minute since I did a collagen mask. Guys, I almost forgot sunscreen. Like, who am I? For my hair mask, I used this Cake, the Power Curl, totally to die for, super rich curl mask. Deeply hydrating and super conditioning. This is what it looks like. I got it because it was cute and pink and it was the cheapest one at Winners. I just wanted to give it a shot, see how I liked it. Today we're about to reveal if it works really good or not. And it is a Canadian brand. I'm gonna take my hair towel out now. It did feel really nice and soft in the shower, so to see if it really worked for my hair, I do have to wait to let it dry to see how it feels after. For now, I am gonna pack my bags because I'm going to be staying over at my sister's. We're gonna have a little sleepover. Just learned that they're gonna have a bunch of people over tonight, so I do want to look cute. It's not for anyone, I just want an excuse to look and feel cute. Since I finished my skincare first, I'm gonna pack that, and then I'm gonna pack my makeup, and then we're gonna do the clothes. For my brushes, I'm gonna use this bag. And for my actual makeup, I'm gonna put it in this bag. And of course, my skincare goes in this bag. Okay, so I packed my skincare and my makeup. Now I have to head downstairs, get the suitcase, and pack my clothes. I have no idea what I'm gonna be wearing tonight and what I'm gonna be packing. Oh boy. I'll show you guys in a minute what I've picked out. Okay, so for my jammies for tonight, I'm gonna be wearing this sweat set from Garage. The joggers, the sweatpants on the inside, they're the Easy Joggers in Talk Pink. And then this is the Soft Terry off-shoulder oversized sweater. It says Beverly Hills, Wellness and Recreation. It's so cute. I'm obsessed. I also have a matching baseball hat that goes with it. So this is for my jammies for tonight. And then for the train ride home tomorrow, I'm just going to be wearing this set. So you can't really see it because it's all black. But there's a bodysuit in there or like a jumper. And it's from Garage. And then the sweater is the Cocoon Zippy Hoodie in jet black, also from Garage. I'm going to pack these up and then I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to wear to Toronto for the day. Changed into like 3 different outfits, but this is the one that I decided on. The top is from White Fox Boutique and the jeans are from my sister's closet. I am going to be bringing my fanny pack, which has all of my essentials, and yeah, now I really gotta go. We made it! So I was just notified that the GO trains are not running at all due to construction. Of course, the one weekend I decided to take it. It's fine. We're just gonna take the bus. It's gonna take a little longer to get there, but it is what it is. This is the bus. So I'm on the bus now, and I had to put my suitcase next to me. There's like no room on the bus, so yeah. We have to make it work, but we're on our way to Union. Okay, so I made it to Toronto safely, made it to Union. Apparently, not only are the trains, they're not running this weekend, but also there's a fire alarm at the bus station. So the bus had to drop us off at a random ass bus stop, and I got lost for a good like 15 to 20 minutes. But we made it to Union, and I'm about to hop on a subway train to the stop that's near my sister, and we will finally get there. Wish me luck! Please. This is her. Hi. That's her man. Willa's chilling over there. Sherry's here. Right here. Nikki, hi. She got me again. Happy matcha. Bunch of skincare and matcha pocket. That you would ever need. So I think I might end the vlog here. Very clear that I didn't end up doing my makeup, but that's okay. I do have to go home today or tomorrow morning because I have work tomorrow. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching if you made it this far. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to. And yeah, that's it. I will see you in the next video. Okay, love you. Mwah.